In this video, we are going to solve the examples on exercise 4.2, which is based on acute angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation of degree 2. Let's see the first example. Find the measure of acute angle between the lines represented by 4x square plus 5xy plus y square is equal to 0. So, first, comparing the given equation with homogeneous equation. Comparing the given equation 4x square plus 5xy plus y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation of degree 2, that is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then we get the values of a is equal to 4, 2h is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Here h is equal to 5 by 2. Now we know that the formula for acute angle between the lines tan theta. So first consider theta with the acute angle between the lines. So tan theta is equal to mod of 2 into under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. Now substituting the values of h, a and b in this formula, we get 2 into h is 5 by 2 square minus a into b, a is 4 and b is 1. So 4 into 1 upon a plus b, that is 4 plus 1 is equal to mod of 2 into under root of 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4 minus 4 upon 4 plus 1, 5. Then the next step, simplifying this root, we get 25 minus 16. 25 minus 16 upon 4 divided by 5 is equal to mod of 2. 25 minus 16, 9 by 4 upon 5. Now square root of 9 by 4 is 3 by 2. So 2 into 3 by 2 upon 5. 2 will be cancelled and the value is mod of 3 upon 5. So we get tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. Here tan theta is equal to 3 by 5. This is not a standard value. So we can write theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 5. Next example. Find the acute angle between the lines represented by in bracket a square minus 3b square into x square plus 8abxy plus b square minus 3a square into y square is equal to 0. Similarly, we can solve this example using the formula. So first compare the given equation with homogeneous equation of degree 2. Here already the small letters a and b are used. So here we use capital A, H and capital B in the homogeneous equation of degree 2. So comparing the given equation a square minus 3b square into x square plus 8abxy plus b square minus 3a square into y square is equal to 0. With homogeneous equation a x square plus 2hxy plus capital by square is equal to 0. So comparing these two equations, we get capital A is equal to coefficient of x square a square minus 3b square Now 2h is equal to coefficient of xy. 2h is equal to 8ab. So h is equal to 4ab. Dividing by 2, then we get h is equal to 4ab. And capital B, coefficient of y square, b square minus 3a square. b square minus 3a square. So first here consider theta be the acute angle between the lines. So let theta be the acute angle between the lines. Then tan theta is equal to mod of 2 under root of capital H square minus capital AB upon A plus B. Now first here find out the value of capital H square minus AB separately. So H square minus AB is equal to H is 4AB bracket square minus A into B. A is A square minus 3B square into B is B square minus 3A square. Now simplifying this H square minus AB term, we get 16A square B square minus the expansion of these two brackets is A square into B square, A square B square, A square into minus 3A square minus 3A raised to 4. Next term minus 3B square into B square minus 3B raised to 4. And the last term minus 3B square into minus 3A square, that is minus minus plus 9A square B square. Now 16A square B square as it is, and changing the sign in the bracket, then we get minus A square B square plus 3A raised to 4 plus 3B raised to 4 and minus 9A square B square. Now simplifying these terms, 16A square B square minus A square B square and minus 9A square B square. Calculating these terms, we get 16A square B square minus A square B square and minus 9A square B square, that is minus 10A square B square. Square is 6A square B square, and calculating these three terms, we get 6A square B square minus plus 3A raised to 4 plus 3B raised to 4. Now 3 as a common, then 2A square B square plus A raised to 4 and plus B raised to 4. Now rearranging the terms, A raised to 4 is the first term plus 2A square B square is the second term plus B raised to 4 is the third term, in this way. Then by observing, this is the expansion of A square plus B square bracket square. So we can write A square plus B square bracket square. Now the next term is denominator's term. A plus B is equal to A is A square minus 3B square and B is plus B square minus 3A square. Now simplifying these two terms, A square minus 3A square, we get minus 2A square and minus 3B square plus B square. Calculating these two terms, we get minus 2B square. Taking minus sign as a common, minus 2 into A square plus B square. This is the value of A plus B. Now substituting these two values, H square minus AB and A plus B, in the formula of tan theta, then we get mod of 2 into under root of 3a square plus b square bracket square upon a plus b is minus 2 into a square plus b square. Now substituting the value of a square minus ab and a plus b, we get these two values. 2 will be cancelled, and the square root of a square plus b square bracket square is a square plus b square, and denominator term a square plus b square. These two terms will be cancelled, and square root of 3 is root 3. So tan theta is equal to root 3, and this is the standard value of standard angle tan 60 degree. So here theta is equal to 60 degree. Comparing the value of angle theta, then we get the acute angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation. We get the theta is equal to 60 degree. In this way we can solve the acute angle between the lines. Now see the next example. If the angles between the lines represented by ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is equal to the angles between the lines 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0, then show that 100 into h square minus ab is equal to a plus b bracket square. Now here the acute angles represented by homogeneous equation is equal to the angle between the lines, the given homogeneous equation. Then we have to show that this expression. So first consider the acute angle theta between the lines homogeneous equation. So let theta be the acute angle between the lines represented by homogeneous equation. The homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is given by tan theta is equal to mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. This is called equation 1. Now the second condition is equal to the acute angle between the lines 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. So here consider the another angle alpha. Let alpha be the acute angle between the lines represented by the equation 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0. Now for finding the value of a, h and b, we have to compare this equation with homogeneous equation. So comparing this equation 2x square minus 5xy plus 3y square is equal to 0 with homogeneous equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0, we get the value of a is equal to 2, 2h is equal to minus 5, so h is equal to minus 5 by 2 and b is equal to 3. Then we get the acute angle tan theta is equal to mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab. So substituting the values 2 into under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b. substitute the value of h is minus 5 by 2 bracket square minus e into b 2 into 3 upon a plus b 2 plus 3 is equal to mod of 2 into 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4, minus 2 into 3 6 divided by 2 plus 3 5 is equal to 2 into under root of 25 by 4 minus 6. Now 25 minus 24 is 1 by 4 upon 5. So is equal to 2 into square root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2 upon 5. 2 will be cancelled and the value of tan theta is 1 by 5. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 5. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5. Theta is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5. But in the given example, the condition is theta and alpha both are equal, and then we have to show that the given expression. If theta is equal to alpha, then by given condition both the angles are equal, then tan theta is equal to tan alpha, and by the so from equation 1 and 2, tan theta is mod of 2 under root of h square minus ab upon a plus b, and tan alpha is 1 upon 5. So comparing these two values, we get the given expression. So squaring on both sides, 4 into h square minus ab upon a plus b bracket square is equal to 1 upon 25. Taking cross multiplication, then 25 into 4, 100 h square minus ab, and 1 into a plus b square is equal to a plus b bracket square, and this is the given expression. 100 into h square minus ab is equal to a plus b bracket square. Comparing tan theta is equal to tan alpha, we get the required expression. This is the required condition or expression.